Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave with a show and tell. This week I went to the tested mailbox and this box was there, including this, fragile optical instruments. That caught my fancy because I did not remember buying any fragile optical instruments on eBay. And then as I inspected the box, this side said, open this side first. And so I did and pulled out this envelope, with a letter in it. First, I just want to say I've been watching you on screens since the first season. Some of your videos where you've discussed ADHD really resonated. That's very sweet. So then, enclosed are some miscellaneous surgical instruments I've collected over my decade of being a circulating registered nurse in the operating room. Dude, are you kidding? You've collected useful medical tool ephemera in here over the last 10 years. Oh my goodness. So side note, this year I left nursing to become a woodworker, handyman, and maker. Congratulations on that change, because making, building, and working with my hands is far more satisfying. After watching a recent tested episode about tools at the Met, I took a dive through some of my instruments that I've been collecting dust and decided they should find a new home with you. Hopefully you can use them. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, and here he is showing that he is indeed my biggest fan. I appreciate the dad humor. Sorry, this person has a name. Corey. Thank you, Corey. Registered nurse, maker, big fan. Oh my goodness, what an exciting box to get. All right. First up, I think these are they grip? No. Okay. Surgery over the past couple of decades has undergone a real shift in terms of how invasive it needs to be. And I believe this is part of the lower invasiveness laparoscopic type of instrumentation. This is a pair of scissors at the end of a 2 foot arm that is maybe 3.5 millimeters in diameter. Also, I can change its orientation. Oh my goodness. These fall into the category of tools that, like, I'll rarely ever need them, but the moment I do, it'll be the greatest thing ever. Okay, that is super useful. That's totally going to get used. All right, let's see here. Okay, that's this card. Let's see, we got, there's that. That looks interesting. Then there's, oh. What is that? That is some, okay, this has a whole, what? Oh my goodness. That looks like an endoscope viewer of some kind. We'll find out. And then a box. Okay, now let's just make sure that everything that's supposed to come out of here has come out of here. Also, you maker, you. Look at this structure he built into the box so it could not be crushed. Honestly, the engineering challenge of making stuff to be able to survive the mails is a non-trivial engineering challenge. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is that a cat for? But, oh, it is just a little gripper. A little baby gripper. Oh, and a gripper that actually can grip, can hold. So this is effectively like a hemostat. Wow. That is stupid useful to me. Oh my God, I love this. How beautiful. And then this looks like another one of the same, but let's see. It is, but it is a left-hand bend rather than a right-hand bend. So here we go. Here are the two.
Are you a right hand? No, I'm a left hand. Oh, I'm a righty.
Dude, that's great. Oh God, they're so pretty. And in this beautiful case, that just right alone, just that is amazing. Does this fit in there? It doesn't fit in there. Oh, all right. So, amazing. All right, I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to crack this one first. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so excited. This is crazy. Tweezers, tweezers, tweezers. Again, I love these cases. So what we have here is a little pair of tweezers that also lock. Oh, wow. Wow. Right. I've never even seen this. It's a passive. It locks, but then you push it again and it unlocks. Listen to that sound. So that's just a little locking pair of tweezers. That's insanely useful. This looks like, oh, it's a similar type of tweezer, but without a lock. Oh yeah, this is opening up whole new vistas. This, which is really nice, a Codman 67. Yes, your basic Codman 67 pair of tweezers. I really should give these to my son, who's a high-end chef, because he uses his tweezers all the time. But I might keep these for myself. Okay, now we have a couple of beasts here. Oh, this is so pretty. This right here is, yeah, this is a spreader. So this would be like, you know, if you want to open a space between two ribs, I'm not sure this is a rib spreader, but its functionality remains the same, is you would put this in there like this and then slowly turn this and it would spread apart so that you can then go in and be like, let's snip that thing all the way there. Look at these beautiful, I mean, wow, I'm just so moved by how gorgeous these are. That is also nasty in a way. That's just amazing. Oh my goodness. What an embarrassment of riches. Okay, let us review what's going on here. So there's that, and then there's this, and then there's this. Okay. Is this what you see through? Let's see here. Oh. Are you kidding me? I'm actually seeing out the end of this. Oh, wow. If I'm seeing out the end of this, then how does this come into it? I know you're a medical professional and you're probably yelling at me, hey, it works this way, it works that way. But so this, when I operate this thumb lever here, that looks around. Okay. And let's see. I'm curious if I can. All right, how does this work? How does this comes in here? It's like a bypass. Does this have a light in it? Is that what that is? I'm really sort of curious. Okay. I haven't entirely figured out the Olympus Colidaca fiberscope. I'd love hints about the correct pronunciation. But also, hey, in the comments, if you work with one of these, will you let me know how this actually all functions? Because right away, there's just an endoscope with the eyeglass here, which is in and of itself delightful to me. I love endoscopes. Yeah, I'm a big fan of endoscopes, and I always have been. But dude, Corey, what a true embarrassment of riches you have sent me, both in terms of objects and magnificent cases. Oh, yeah. You made my day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Already in my kit, there's like alligator grabbers and some little surgical things that I have been using for 3+ decades. I have no doubt that everything here will stay in my roster for at least another 3 decades. So I really appreciate it. And again, if you can walk me through some of the functionality of this, I would be greatly obliged in the comments. Thank you guys for joining me. I will see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. I wanted to tell you about some new merch we have at adamsavage.com. We have a 4-pack of Savage meatball logos, a 3-inch, a 2-inch, a 1-inch, and my new favorite, a Savage meatball magnet. You can get them at adamsavage.com.